You know her, but if you don't, go on over.
You said my channel was dying, so I need all the help we can get.
I'm sorry.
He's like, her channel's dying and mine is popping. I was like, oh.
What's going on? Y'all are going to jail! Period!
Sorry. Sorry.
So you have to take it, okay, Veronica?
What?
You have to take this bite that I'm about to give you.
Like from your hands?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know, it's like all about like the community. Like we feed each other, we eat together.
Y'all make me sick! Y'all make me sick!
Look at her awesome red dress. Red top. It's not a dress. It's a top.
It's a dress.
Is it? Oh.
Yeah, it's a dress.
We've eaten enough for like 10 people. 10 human beings, you know?
And 20 Ethiopians. Yes.
What is the wildest thing you've ever done in Las Vegas?
Absolutely nothing.
Nothing. My cravings are over now. Oh. I wonder if people are gonna wait to the end or fast forward to see if we actually did get it all.
Yeah, tell me how it tastes. Do you want scissors? Yeah. Ready? Mm-hmm. Is it good? Is the lobster good?
Oh my god.
Is it okay if I cut it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
We come to the close of another exciting episode of Hungry Fat Chicken Nikocado Avocado.
And we're having so much fun, you guys.
We sure are.
So I just want to say hey, and that I'm here to stay, and you're gonna be mad every day. Success.